Hey everyone, welcome. I now had a pan over medium heat. Here I'm heating a bit of butter and cooking oil. Then add the crushed ingredients into the hot pan. After that, stir it little until it's evenly mixed. Here it's optional, but I want to add 1 egg. You can also use an egg if you like. Before adding the egg, stir until the fragrant aroma of the onion is noticeable. Stir until everything is evenly mixed and the egg is halfway cooked. After that, add the rice into the pan. Stir it a little. Then add pepper. Continue stirring until everything is evenly mixed. After that, add the green onion and chilies and stir again. When it's almost cooked, add the dragon fruit to the pan. Stir until everything is evenly mixed and cooked through. Don't forget to taste it. Yummy! This tastes really delicious. If it's cooked and the flavor is right, transfer it to a serving plate. You can add your favorite toppings. Here I using fried shallots as a topping. And tada! Dragon fruit fried rice is ready to be served. Don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Bye-bye!